Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few 7 marks problems. So, continuation of previous part. See here, prove the two parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equals to 4by intersect other than origin at an angle of tan inverse 3a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. See here, what are the given parabolas? Solution: given parabolas y square is equal to 4ax. This is equation 1. Next one, x square is equals to 4by. This is equation 2. Now, draw the graph of given parabolas. See your first parabola y square equal to 4ax. So clearly, graph of this parabola is opens positive x-axis. So this is y square is equal to 4ax graph. Y square is equal to 4ax. See the next parabola, x square equal to 4by. So clearly, graph of this parabola is opens positive y-axis. Okay. So this is the two intersecting points. So this parabola is x square is equals to 4by. So this is the one of the point of intersection. This is another point of intersection. Okay. Now see here, these two parabolas intersect other than origin. Means we have to consider this point. Now angle between these two curves at point P is this one. Okay. You need to prove that angle. So you know that angle between the two curves is the angle between their tangents. Okay. Now first you need to find the point of intersection of these two curves. See here, squaring on both side equation. See here, from equation 1, y power 4 is equals to what? 16a square x square. You know that x square value is 4by, substituting above. So y power 4 is equals to 16a square into x square value 4by. Therefore, y power 4 minus 16 into 4, 64 a square by is equals to 0. In both terms y is common. You will get y power 3 minus 64 a square b is equals to 0. So clearly, one is y is equals to 0 and second one y power 3 minus 64 a square b is equals to 0. So from this, y power 3 is equals to what? 64 a square b. See here, what is y value? 64. This 64 write as 4 power 3 a square b whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now therefore the value of y, 4 power 3 whole power 1 by 3, 4 a power 2 by 3, next b power 1 by 3. So these are the y coordinates. If y is equals to 0, see here, if y is equals to 0, so from equation 2, x square is equals to 0, x is equals to 0. But you need to find the point of intersection of two curves other than origin. Okay. So no need to find this point. Now see here, second case, y is equal to 4a power 2 by 3, b power 1 by 3. See here, if y is equals to 4a power 2 by 3, b power 1 by 3. So substitute this y value in equation 2. Here equation 2 implies x square is equals to 4b into y value. This one 4a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. So therefore x is equals to what? 4 square b power 1 into b power 1 by 3, that is 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So b power 4 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Therefore the value of x 4 b power 2 by 3 a power 1 by 3. Therefore the point of intersection of 1 and 2 is px comma y. So what is x value? This one 4b power 2 by 3 a power 1 by 3 comma y value this one 4 a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. So using this point you can find the slope of the tangent at point P to the first curve and second curve. Okay. Now see here first one. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. That is d by dx of y square is equals to d by dx of 4ax. So derivative of y square is 2 into y power 2 minus 1 internal derivative of y, that is dy by dx. So this is what 4a into d by dx of x. So this value is 1. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Therefore dy by dx is equals to what? 2a divided by y. Okay. Now we need to find derivative at the point P. That is the slope of the tangent at point P to the curve. Okay. So this one. So angle between two curves is the angle between their tangents. Okay. Now see here dy by dx at P is 2a by y coordinate, this one 4a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. See here 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So this is some m1 is equals to what? 1 by 2 into so a power 2 by 3 into a power minus 1 b power 1 by 3. So clearly m1 is what? m1 is equals to see a power 2 by 3 into a inverse, that is 2 by 3 minus 1. You will get minus 1 by 3. That is 1 by 2a power minus 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3. Next differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So differentiate of x square is 2x is equals to 4b into dy by dx. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Therefore dy by dx is equals to what? X by 2b. Now find dy by dx at point P. So therefore dy by dx at point P is x coordinate, this one 4 into b power 2 by 3 a power 1 by 3 divided by 2b. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Therefore m2 is equals to what? 2 into b power 2 by 3 minus 1, that is b power minus 1 by 3 a power 1 by 3. So these are the slopes of the tangent. Now using the slopes, we can find the angle between these two tangents. Okay. So therefore, theta is the angle between two tangents. Therefore, tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. See here, that is tan theta is equals to m1, this slope, that is 1 by 2 into, see here, a power minus 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3. So this can be also written as m1 is equals to 1 by 2 into a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3. So right here 1 by 2 into a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus m2. See here, this can be also written as 2 into a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3. So divide by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is 1 by 2 into a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3 into m2. M2 is what? 2 into this one. A by b whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. Now, this is, in both terms, a by b whole power 1 by 3 is common. So, a by b whole power 1 by 3 is common. You will get 1 by 2 minus 2. So, divide by. So, a by b whole power 1 by 3 whole square, that is 2 by 3. Again, this is a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 minus 2. This is minus 3 by 2. So divide by b power 2 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 by b power 2 by 3. Okay. So this is what? 3a power 1 by 3. So divide by. So this b power 2 by 3 goes numerator. That is b power 1 by 3 whole square. So 2 into b power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So 1 b power 1 by 3 it cancels. Therefore, tan theta is equals to what? 3a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 divided by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So therefore, clear what is theta? So theta is equals to, send the tan right side, then it becomes tan inverse of this one. 3a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 divided by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So this is the angle between two curves other than origin. See next one. Show that the common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4 by y is this one. Okay. See here. This is the coordinate axis. So this is y square is equal to 4ax and this is what? X square is equals to 4by. And common tangent of both the curves is this one. You need to prove that. Okay. So clearly, this is the common tangent. Okay. You need to find that common tangent equation. See your solution. Given parabolas, y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equals to 4by. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. See here, you know that the equation of tangent of y square is equal to 4ax is what? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So this is the equation of tangent having the slope m to the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Now this is the tangent of equation 2 also, because of so that common tangent of both the curves is this one. So clearly, according to given condition, equation 3 is tangent of x square is equals to 4by. Then what is the condition? So then c is equals to what? Minus bm square. So this is the condition for tangent to the parabola x square equal to 4by. So what is c value? A by m is equal to minus b into m square. So here this is m cube is equals to what? Minus a by b. So therefore from this m value is what? Minus a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3. Substitute this m value in equation 3. Here therefore equation 3 implies y is equal to m into x. M is what? Minus a by b. Minus a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3 into x. Next, plus a by m. Plus a by m is what? Again minus a by b whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. Now this is y is equal to minus a power 1 by 3x by b power 1 by 3, and this one minus b power 1 by 3. So divided by, see here a power 1 by 3 minus 1, that is a power minus 2 by 3. Okay. So here a power minus 2 by 3 goes to numerator, then it becomes a power 2 by 3. Okay. Now this is y is equal to minus a power 1 by 3x minus b power 1 by 3 whole square into a power 2 by 3. So divided by b power 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication. So what you get? Y into b power 1 by 3 is equals to minus x into a power 1 by 3. Next minus a power 2 by 3 b power 2 by 3. So send it right. So send it left side, then it becomes x a power 1 by 3 plus y b power 1 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 b power 2 by 3 is equals to 0. So this is the required condition. See your next question. Prove that area of the triangle formed by the tangent at 3 points to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is this one. See here, this is the parabola. Okay. So 3 points are given. Suppose this is a x1 comma y1, and this is b x2 comma y2, and this is the point c x3 comma y3. C x3 comma y3. Okay. Now area of the triangle formed by the tangent at 3 points to the parabola. So this is one of the tangent, and this is the another tangent, and this is the another tangent. We need to find this area. Okay. So here you know that the equation of the tangent at point A and at point B and at point C. So here Solution: given parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So let a x1 comma y1 is equals to parametric points at1 square comma 2at1. Next, b x2 comma y2 is at2 square comma 2at2, and c x3 comma y3 is at3 square comma 2at3. So these are the any 3 points on the parabola. Now you need to find the equation of the tangent at these 3 points. See here, you know that the equation of tangent at at1 square comma 2at1 is, what is that equation? yt1 is equals to x plus at1 square. Next, at b yt2 is equal to x plus at2 square. At c yt3 is equal to x plus at3 square. Okay. Now you need to find point of intersection of these 3 tangents. That is, you need to find these 3 points. After that, you can find the area of this triangle. See here. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So solving 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2. So what is the equation 1? yt1 is equal to x plus at1 square, and equation 2 yt2 is equal to x plus at2 square. So subtract these 2 equations. You will get yt1 minus yt2 is equal to x get cancelled, at1 square minus at2 square. In both terms y is common, t1 minus t2. Here a is common, t1 square minus t2 square. Now again this is y of t1 minus t2 is equal to a into t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. So t1 minus t2, t1 minus t2 get cancelled. So what is y value? Y is equals to a of t1 plus t2. Now substituting equation 1. So y t1. So y into t1 is what? A into t1 plus t2 into t1 is equal to x plus at1 square. See here, at1 and t1. at1 square get cancelled. Now what is x value? at1 t2. So therefore the point P is what? at1 t2 comma y, a of t1 plus t2. So similarly solving 2 and 3 and 1 and 3, you will get 2 more points. Now using the 3 points, you can find the area of the triangle. So next, solving 2 and 3 comma 3 and 1. So we get, so write directly. What is Q point? Q is at2 t3 comma a of t2 plus t3. Next, what is R point? at1 t2 comma a of t1 plus t2. So this is the point P. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, this is x3 y2. Now find area of the triangle formed by these 3 points. Therefore area of triangle PQR is equals to what? Half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this is the area of the triangle formed by the 3 points. You know that x1, y1, x2, y2, x3. Substitute here. This is 1 by 2 into, what is x1 value? a(t1, t2). Next y1 value, a of t1 plus t2. Next 1. Similarly, a t2, t3, a of t2 plus t3, 1. Next, a t3, t1, a of t3 plus t1, 1. See here from the first column and second column a is common. So a square. So this is a square by 2 into. So write remaining values. t1, t2, t2, t3, t3, t1. Next here, t1 plus t2, t2 plus t3, t3 plus t1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now see here, r1 implies r1 minus r3 and r2 implies r2 minus r3. So do row operations. So what you get, a square by 2 into t1 t2 minus t3 t1. In both terms t1 is common. So t1 is common, you will get t2 minus t3. Next, this one minus this one. So t1 get cancelled, you will get t2 minus t3. So I am writing directly. 1 minus 1 is 0. And r2 minus r3. This one minus this. In both terms t3 is common. You will get t2 minus t1. Here t3 get cancelled, you will get t2 minus t1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So t3 t1, t3 plus t1, 1. Okay. See here in the first row t2 minus t3 common, in the second row t2 minus t1 common. So this is a square by 2 into t2 minus t3 into t2 minus t1. What is the remaining values? t2 minus t3 is common. You will get t1, here 1, 0. Next, t3, 1, 0. Next, t3, t1, t3 plus t1, 1. Now find the determinant along the third row. That is a square by 2 into t2 minus t3, t2 minus t1, and this one t1 minus t3. So t1 minus t3. Okay. So again, this can be written as a square by 2 into. So write in the order. See here, write in the order. In this terms minus is common, you will get t1 minus t2. Next write this one, t2 minus t3. In this also minus is common, you will get plus. So t3 minus t1. Okay. Here, this can be written as a cube by a. So multiply and divide 8. So 8 into 16. That is 2t1 minus 2t2, 2t2 minus 2t3, 2t3 minus 2t1. Again this a cube multiplied inside of this. You will get, see here you know that ax1 comma y1. This is what? at1 square comma 2at1. And b x2 comma y2 is a2 square comma 2at2. And c x3 comma y3 is what? at3 square comma 2at3. So substitute the 281, 282, 283 values here. So here that is 1 by 16a into 2at1 y1, 2at2 y2. Similarly, this is y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 square units. So this is the area of the triangle formed by the three tangent at 3 points on the parabola. For next session we will discuss more problems.